Ever wonder why kids crave comfort foods when they're upset? Meet the Earth Food Power, nature's stability boosters. Earth foods are usually brown, rooty, and grounding. They soak up Earth's calm energy and help kids feel centered and secure. They're packed with vitamin C and potassium, nature's perfect boost. Here's a fun fact. China grows the most potatoes in the world. That's 15.6 million elephants worth. And in China, potatoes aren't just turned into fries, they become noodles too. So, next time your little ones need some stability, what's your go-to potato creation? A coloring page a day keeps boring away. Subscribe for more food wisdom. Check the bio.